Hey guys, how's it going? HelpfulLockPicker here, and the video I have for you today is going to be an unboxing video. What I have in front of you here is a package that was sent to me by SubtleDigs. I have a pretty good idea of what might be inside, but I'm not exactly sure. So instead of guessing, let's just open this up together and check it out. I know they've been announcing that they're going to be releasing their new pick soon, and hopefully that's what this will be. But let's just open this up quickly, and we'll take a quick look. Let's see. Alright, so we have a little envelope with the SubtleDigs logo on it. Let's just peel that back. And I see some metal on the inside, so let's just open this up and double check and see. Oh yes, this does look like their new lineup of picks, which is pretty cool. And let's just take a quick look at each one. What I'm going to do in a future video is I'm going to be able to do more of a review on them, but I'm just going to give you a close-up shot of each one, and then I will do a review in the future. But I just want to say thank you to SubtleDigs for sending these my way. I've been looking forward to checking them out, and I also look forward to giving you a more in-depth opinion on them in the future to come. But I just want to say that this is really cool to be able to share with everyone, so everyone can get a really good close-up look of what their new product looked like. If you had seen my review in the past, I wasn't exactly pleased with their picks before, so I'm really hoping that they were able to change it up and make a really nice set. But let's see, we still have a few more to go. And this card looks like kind of like what Sparrows has, where you can do like a credit card set where you can punch some out. And they have a little card here, excited about your order, share a review on our website, connect with us on social media. And here's some of their information right here. And then they wrote me a little card right here. Dear HelpfulLockPicker, I wanted to take a moment to thank you for all of your assistance and constructive feedback. Enjoy the prototypes. Look forward to hearing from you soon. Cheers, Diana, SubtleDigs. So I just want to say that this was just a really quick little unboxing video. I am going to play with these prototypes more in the future, but I just wanted to share them with everyone. I just wanted to say thank you to SubtleDigs for sending them my way. What I do want to do is grab my caliper quickly. And let's just get a really quick reading on how thick these are, because I'm interested. Let's see. So on this one is 0.032, so that's quite thick actually. Let's see what the little short hook is. 0.037 to 0.031. So it looks like it's variable a little bit. And we'll just grab another one just to get a small sample. 0.030. So that seems like that's roughly going to be what they're going to be measuring at. The one feedback I can leave right away is the fact that that is too thick. Really, I think the maximal thickness should be about 0.025. When you start to get bigger than that, you're going to have a really hard time getting into a lot of different locks. You will be able to get into some of the US-based locks, but you're not going to be able to get into any of the thinner ones, and it's just going to make it much more harder for you to have a successful time picking. But once again, these are the prototype picks. I have not used them. This is the first time I'm coming in contact with them, so I do not want to be too critical right off the start. I'm not exactly sure what their plans are for their final production, but just from an initial opinion, I would like to say that having a pick that is 0.030 inches thick is just much too thick for a pick that you're going to make in production, that you're going to want to market to someone that is going to actually use them as an everyday pick. I do want to say that the styling is a little bit more interesting than before. They are, a lot different. I do feel like the metal's a little rough around the edges right now, but once again, I will give these some time and I will check them out. But either way, guys, I just want to say thank you again to SubtleDigs for sending me this prototype set. It's really nice of you, Diana, to think of me, and I'm really looking forward to sharing these with everyone. More information will come on this product, and just stay tuned for that in the future. But either way, guys, this is all that I have for you today, and if you have any questions or suggestions, please drop those in the comment section below, and if you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more like it, please subscribe. As always, thank you so much for checking this out, and I hope you all have a great day, and I cannot wait to see you in the next video.